Good morning. I'll discuss about what is agile methodology. Um, Agile methodology is one of two methods to work on a software. So, are you familiar with waterfall methodology, right? The first method is waterfall methodology, and agile methodology is different. So, agile methodology is agile development, different way of managing IT development teams and projects. So it says that agile is agile means people are important, the team is important rather than one. So do you understand, right? For example, when you're working on a project, it is important to have a team rather than only a one person to create that project. So two is working software over comprehensive documentation. So before on waterfall methodology, we work like the project. They create first the documentation before create the software. But on agile methodology, it is different because earlier there's a lot of documentation and lot of specification. Agile focus on software, which means it needs to see the software first because the documentation is needed. It says focus on software and less on documentation. Agile doesn't say that the project doesn't need a documentation, but agile means um, focus first on software, create first the software because before the documentation. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Before when we create a project, like there's a customer create their needs, customer customer and the software developer, there is a contract, and it like they give the they give the requirements first, then create the software. But here in agile methodology, customer collaboration means you involve the customer during developing the software. Like waterfall, you get the requirement. So at the end, you will show the software to them. So if there's any change, if they want to include change, they might mm, they might say that the work not is not good, or maybe like what we are doing every week there's a meeting for the project. So here agile methodology customer collaboration is like there's a method and collaboration of our team leader or a customer. So every week we will show the progress of the project. Responding to change over following a plan. Waterfall method says you have a plan, but here in agile methodology, there's a response on changes. So keep changing, keep adapting to the changes, and keep changing the software according to the customer's interest. Develop small incremental releases and iterate. On the waterfall, you will have the major release, like you will need to finish the software the whole software, but here in agile methodology, you will have to release every month or every week, like one feature, two features, but it's a progressive working. So it depends on the customer suggestion and your capacity. Focus on frequent delivery of products. Deliver two features or three features in a cycle, or you can show the customer so that the customer can feel the progress. So before we move to the next, like complete each feature before moving to the next. So testing is integrated throughout the project lifecycle. Test early and often. So pay attention fast and learn quickly and more. That's what it says. So do you understand now what is agile methodology? So here's a simple explanation. For example, we are given one project and the one project has 20 features or like more features. So we will create like this one. So this is one project and it has features. So in agile methodology, we will get like two features or three features in a week. So one, two, three, and finish it first. So after we finish these three projects, we will deploy it on a live website or anything that it is progressive. So we will deploy it. After we deploy it, then another week we will create then this one. So another feature until it ends. So in waterfall, it's like we will deploy this project at at the same time. Hmm. It depend. It it will be done if it depends on the customer's suggestion or customer wants. So you understand now. That's all, sir.